lovely Pakistan. Today I introduce this Mr. Abdullah from Lahore, that fellow who wearing the Islamic cap, Mr. Quram from Wakand, and this Mr. Hirashe from Lala Musa, and this guy's Punjabi name. Yeah, I want to make my heart little bit happy, so you just quiet. Your good name, please? Sarfaraz Ahmed, owner of the Pendu book, and this guy Ihtisham from Mansehra, and this person from Datadi Nagri, lovely Lahore, and myself from Pakistan, Gujranwala. So let me introduce what we are doing here. We all sit together and we want to a vanda for lactation goats, doodh wali bakri. So somebody could not understand. So first of all, we mix 27 kg wheat bran, which called in Urdu choka. And after that, we mix corn, crude corn, 40 kg, and 20 kg cotton seeds mix, which called sarso. And after that, 30 kg gram, which we called in Urdu chana, and some pieces of dry chapati. It is not necessary. If you want to mix, okay, no problem.